Hello, good evening everyone. Today's stock market end of the day analysis. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. Index snapshot. Today Nifty 50 index ended at 14,637.80, down by 229 points, while the Sensex was down by 1.74% at 49,159. Some of the sector performance here. Nifty IT sector up by 1.97%, Nifty metal sector up by 0.89%, where Nifty PSU bank down by 4.10%, Nifty bank down by 3.48%, and Nifty realty sector ended in negative. Top 5 F&O gainers and losers. SAIL given more weightage to top 5 F&O gainers, followed by Lal Pathla, LTI, BEL and Jindal Steel, where losers are PVR, UBI, Canara Bank, Indiabull Housing Finance and Apollo Tyre. Results on 5th April. Companies selecting based on market capitalization. As of today, there were no results. Dividend and bonus stocks. As of today, SBI Life Insurance, Shriram Transport Finance, and Saregama India issued dividend, which are already discussed in previous video. Some of the stocks yet to be issued on 8th April. Britannia Industries Limited issued 62 rupees per share. Rail Vikas Nigam issued 1.14 rupees per share. Kama Holdings Limited issued 108 rupees per share. India Nippon Electricals issued 6 rupees per share. And Premco Global Limited issued 2 rupees per share. Small note here, if you have to be eligible for this dividend, which is yet to be issued on 8th April, you should have purchased these shares on Tuesday itself, that is 6th April. For this dividend, record date is 8th April and ex-dividend date is 6th April. Some of the IPO information here. Upcoming IPO. There were no upcoming IPOs out there. Market information. Let's look at the overall market today. Sensex plunged 870 points. Nifty 50 closed with losses of 229 points. Sectorically, selling pressure was seen in realty, banks, finance, auto, public sector and consumer stocks, while some of buying was seen in IT, metal and telecom stocks. Brief explanation about market. Private sector lenders, HDFC Bank, HDFC and ICICI Bank were the biggest drags on Nifty 50, falling between 2.5% and 3.2%. Bajaj Finance, IndusInd Bank and SBI were the top percentage decliners on the Nifty 50, falling between 4.5% and 5.7%. The software service index climbed 2%, where metal stocks closed 0.89% higher. The fresh restrictions in Maharashtra, home to Bollywood, also weighed on shares of cinema operations. PVR Limited and Inox Leisure Limited each closed more than 4% lower. Thanks for watching. For subscribing our channel, click the below link.